Type me, y'all.
Yep.
Guys, I'm so scared right now. We're in a snowstorm, and we're gonna start sliding. All right, look, y'all see the snow? It's fucking snowing. What the fuck, yo? Do you see? Look.
Alright, so we switching drivers right here, right?
Yeah, we are. Aw, blood, nah, fuck that, blood. Don't let this nigga Elijah drive in the snow, blood. Alright, well, I just want to say, Mom, thanks for everything.
Norris.
Elijah's about to kill us because we're about to let Elijah drive in the fucking snow.
Oh man, it's stinking in here, right?
Fuck that. Well, at least if I'm gonna die, I'm finna roll some weed up, shit. Let me get the weed out now. Shit, I mean, I think this should be enough for me. Well, you don't even know where the gas station's at, blood. See? This is what I'm talking about. We're dead. Oh, shit. That nigga's smashing.
That's sweet.
Blood, you niggas is all dog. It's that way, blood.
Yeah, okay, I'll see it in the distance.
You niggas is all dog, bro. This nigga Elijah. This nigga Marcus.
What the fuck y'all see?
This nigga Elijah. That's it right there, blood. You don't see that building and shit? It says, oh, we're in Tehachapi. Tehachapi. What?
The elevation is 4,000, my nigga.
The elevation is 4,000, my nigga. Now, where we going, blood? Quiznos, McDonald's, Taco Bell, Taco Gel. Yo quiero Taco Bell. Hey, be cool, blood, because you're going to police. I got an ounce of some coke on me right now. Alright, now we pulling up on the police, man. Fuck this nigga, blood. I got strapped right now. I shoot this nigga shit out, blood. Niggas got me fucked up out here, blood. Yeah, I'm videotaping Skis.
Look like Nash, nigga.
Skis, you wanna rob this nigga, blood? Look at the snow, blood. Skis, bro. Fuck this nigga. Why you didn't go that way?
Because it said the McDonald's was straight.
Nah, we in a minivan. We good. It's on foes.
Yeah.
Slap a bitch.
Niggas ain't gonna make it.
We ain't gonna make it. About me.
Subway.
Blood, I don't even want to go outside, blood. They said, blood, they just said that it's 36 degrees out
There
here.
you go, McDonald's.
Alright, but when do you niggas go outside? Matter of fact, Skis. Hey, go ahead, Skis. Go outside in your shorts, bro.
Where's the McDonald's?
Oh, no.
Oh, it's over there. It's usually the Golden Arches, my nigga.
It's usually on the corner. My nigga got snow on his car, blood. What the fuck? But we're in a fucking snowstorm. Elijah, just say it. Elijah, just say it, Elijah. Just tell him we're in a snowstorm.
We're in a snowstorm.
That's what I'm saying, Elijah. I'm so scared right now.
The camera not at that nigga, and he's still doing the goddamn. And that movie's old as fuck.
Hey!
You got no more other parents.
My niggas got snow on the car!
Blair Witch.
Nah, bro, just go through the drive-thru.
Nah, bro, park this bitch.
Oh, so niggas,
I gotta pee.
but niggas is getting out in the snow, blood.
Yeah, in the hoop shorts, nigga.
Niggas is getting. Oh, yeah.
That was an accident,
We
nigga.
got bumper to bumper coverage, so
Back
balance
up a
the
little
bumper.
Alright, we good. This nigga Skis fucking up the rental.
Ah, shut up, nigga.
Let me get his half of the money now. Cause it's not. We about to ride through McDonald's, nigga. I'm leaving the video camera on.
Head east on West Valley Boulevard, then turn left onto Tucker Road.
Blood, it's fucking freezing outside. It's cold. Oh, it's snowing. I'm in the snow. I'm in the snow, blood. I got some white shit in my mouth. Oh, no, for real.
I need one too. There you go.
Damn. Niggas got all types. Bruh. How you doing? Shit.